my god, what's going on? Why? Oh, school bus. Okay, yeah, it's that time of season. Yeah, I forgot. I totally forgot that this road has a school bus. Damn. What's going on, everybody? This is 4i Driver over here. It's been a while since I've done a POV driving video of my car. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing okay, especially the beginning months of 2023. It's pretty much gonna be just showing you my commute to work, but this is the first time I'm seeing snowfall around my area, so that's pretty exciting. Although majority of the roads are clear, which is good. So it's been a minute. This car already has over 9,500 miles, so as soon as it hits 10,000 miles, I'm gonna do a review, but it's most likely gonna be what I like about this car, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I want to show you guys how I'm shifting. Very, very fun. Just, you know, you could critique and do whatever you want with it to see how I'm shifting, but I'm getting better. It's almost autonomic. Last time I stalled was December time, so you know, it's getting the good hang of it. It just makes this car enjoyable. So, oh, on my way. He didn't even fully stop, bastard. He didn't fully stop yet. He's gonna go under the speed limit. Like the speed limit is 50. Watch his ass. Yeah, I know. See? Yeah, going under the speed limit. Meanwhile, he didn't fully stop at the stop sign. Come on, man. Is there even anybody in front? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's why. Ooh, that's a long line of traffic. Alright, this road is coming up, my favorite road. Hopefully this guy's not turning well too, because I don't want to see him. Guy from this Jeep. Get out of here. Yes, he's not going. Bastard. Go. Woo. It's even more fun coming down the hill. I like going uphill as well. Woo. Let's go, Teggy. That hill, it feels like you're just going way up. I mean, it might not look like it, but it's a good pull going uphill. But again, going downhill is a lot more fun. Look how beautiful the scenery is, especially this the winter. Spring and summer, it does look great too. Winter, it has some sort of cool, icy snow, Winter Wonderland effect. Damn, people clean up your car, especially the top. That's a road hazard. Look at that. See how I like this road? Any turns. Look at that. Alright, they're gonna wait. Stop here. Alright, someone's gonna come. I'm gonna wait. All right, is anybody coming? All right. Woo! Beautiful. So much good turns. See, I'm more of a nimble guy, not just a straightaway type of guy in terms of driving. Don't get me wrong, I like going fast in a straight line, but real performance is all the twists and turns and how nimble your car is. This Acura, this front slip differential. Woo! Very nice. Oh, you turning. I think I dumped the clutch a little. Jeez. Again, another person didn't clean the top. I don't know what's wrong with people. So it makes the roads extremely difficult. This Maserati on my ass. Ugly ass car. I don't know why people like Maseratis. I've been in one. I didn't see any impression by it. It's Ferrari's stepbrother. That's pretty much how I see Maseratis. As Ferrari's stepbrother or distant cousin. That's how I see it. They're under the same umbrella, and I mean, I guess I'm still learning about cars, but jeez, I don't see the hype about Maseratis. I really don't. This one is on my ass. Like, back up. Ooh. This road I like too because it has good downhills. Oh man, that's a nice downhill. But again, as you can see, there's a truck in front that is just hindering the fun experience of this road. But it's alright. He has to go to work. So salute to you, man. Going to work and being productive. And the snow's pretty, but shoveling it is another thing. See that? Beautiful. All right, you're making a right. I'm making a. not a single car in sight in front of me. That is what I like. Just enjoy the drive. Well, I see one car in front, but I don't know what they're doing. Okay, he's turning. Clear. Ah, another school bus. Ah, just finished. It was fun while it lasted. I have a car in front of me now. Definitely going under the speed limit, I bet. Damn. Hey everybody, well now I'm back on the main road again. From this point on it's more, you know, double lane highways, and I'm close to my job, so it's pretty much boring from here on then. No more of the Winter Wonderland type of back road feel, but thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Definitely like and subscribe. There's gonna be more videos on the way, including the 10,000 mile video. That's gonna come very shortly. I have about 9,565 miles. Definitely come maybe next month or so. So I appreciate the support, everybody. Definitely comment below to see what you guys want to see as well with this car. I have a few ideas, but I definitely like to hear some feedback. College, New Jersey. All right, y'all. Take care. Have a great week. Goodbye.